Yo, T.
Where have you been?
I got here as soon as I could, bro.
Oh, man, Louise Gracie. Louise Gracie!
What about Gracie?
They got Gracie. She's gone. Evan's dead. Now Gracie.
Fuck Evan. Who's got Gracie?
I don't know.
What are you talking about, bro? Where is she?
Some guy's at war with her father, I guess. I don't know.
Hey, Gracie's pretty tough.
She's a princess.
She's a tough princess.
Oh, they fucking hurt her.
Yeah, they'll have you, me, and my family to deal with.
You never liked her. You never did. You never liked anyone.
That's not true. I like her.
No, you didn't.
She's my favorite go-kart.
Oh, and what makes you so good, huh? If it wasn't for me, you'd be selling dime bags on a street corner. I made you.
Yeah, and she never made you into a junkie, okay? I mean, she's not a bad person. Okay, she's not a murdering, greedy psychopath like me. She's so hard. You know, if you can get past the accent. Okay? But she made you into a useless old queen to act out on blowing pills to notice his business is going to shit.
Oh, here we go, huh? Here we fucking go, huh? Oh, I see it in your eyes. You're embarrassed of me. You see me and think, oh, this is it. This is the moment to put me down. This is the moment when the apprentice takes over, huh? Oh, man. You think I'm done? You're not so fucking tough, Luis.
And you're not so smart, you dumb junkie. Fuck.
Oh, yeah, fuck you, Luis.
Come on, Tony. Chill out.
Oh, no, you're right. You're right. You're not the one with the problem. I am.
Tony, what the fuck are you doing?
No, I'm holding you back. I see that now. I see that now. The closest thing I've had to a son. I'm sorry, Luis. I love you.
Tony.
Goodbye.
Tony, come on, man.
Goodbye. I love you. Shit. Shit.
Fuck. Fuck is wrong with you, you dumb prick? Huh? Get up. Get up so I can kill you myself. Get up.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just couldn't take it anymore.
Come on. Get up. Get up, you old bastard. Huh? Let's go find Gracie, okay?
Okay.
Oh. Jesus Christ.
Oh, shit, Luis.
Jesus Christ.
The Ancelottis said I should use their chopper. It's at the heliport on top of the entrance of the booth tunnel. What do you think we're doing on this outing? We're looking for Gracie.
You got any ideas where we might start doing that? It's a big city, though.
I may be semi-suicidal, but I'm not completely stupid, Luis.
You ain't even semi-suicidal, T. You're just over-dramatic. I wouldn't be surprised if that gun was just a movie prop.
We've been in enough shit recently for me to carry something a little bit more dangerous than a prop gun.
I think you'd know enough with all the shit we've been in to take the safety off a gun before you use it.
Fair point. I'll get a post-it note for the next time. Disengage before a suicide attempt.
Self-indulgent cry for help, remember?
Okay, I need your help, Luis. You're all I've got left. You happy now? I said it. Well done. You win, jackass.
Okay, bro. Where are we looking for this girl?
There's some lowlifes and dupes who might be involved. Losers even by current mob standards, which is saying something.
You from Dukes, ain't you?
Try to forget about that.
Okay, so we head over there and do what? Land on the roof and ask them where they got Gracie?
Just got to follow them. See if they take us anywhere interesting.
Okay, bro. Let's hope for the best.
Who knows what they could have done to that girl? She could be dead at the bottom of the West River now.
Or she could be driving some son of a bitch kidnapper crazy. I wouldn't wish that nasal whining voice on the worst guy out there. Gracie's got my backing over some chump hood from Dukes.
You're right. That could be the smart bet. Our old man said something interesting to me, by the way.
Oh, yeah? What'd he say?
That he's blaming us for this whole thing. Either we get her back, or we're dead.
That's definitely interesting. How the fuck did he get that in his head? I barely know the girl.
Here's the Ancelotti chopper. Let's not screw it up as well. Fuck.
Come on, hurry up, man.
The place we're checking out is over in Cerveza Heights.
So, this isn't about Gracie? It's about saving our own asses?
Yes, this is a purely selfish act. Are you happy now?
Yeah, strangely I am. Now that I've realized I'm being blackmailed into doing this, it's become a lot clearer.
Great.
How are we gonna get out of this, Tom?
What?
All this shit piling down on top of us. How are we gonna get out? Have we got a plan?
I don't know. We could play the lottery, start a little Ponzi scheme, wait! We've tried that, and it's not going so well!
Fair enough.
You could marry a billionaire. That might get us out of our problems.
Oh yeah, I've already been pimped off once, T, and I nearly got killed because of it.
I think that's their car, Lou. The red one. Let's follow it. Where's he going?
I don't know where he's going, you idiot. That's why we're following him.
Okay, all right. But which way do you think he's heading?
West.
I can see he's going west. Where west?
There's a lot of shit west of Dukes. Could be Alcampo. Could head all the way over to Alderney. Might not be going west at all. Might be heading over to the Eastboro Bridge so he can get himself up to Bowman. Fuck! Might just be heading down the block for a slice of pie.
Shit! Okay, I take your point. If you see him stopping, let me know.
You'll see him stopping too, bro. You ain't going to sleep on me, are you?
You think I could go to sleep in a moment like this?
Why? You ain't got your pills?
No, I don't actually. I didn't even take an anti-anxiety, and you know how I feel about flying.
So throw a guy out of chopper, but you won't go for a ride in one? You should have shared your anti-anxiety pills with the Celebrinator.
No amount of pills would prepare you for that.
Don't fuck with the Tony Prince Empire, baby. That's what's up.
Public relations at its finest.
If we could throw every fucking blogger out of chopper, bro, keep them fools in line.
We could start an outsourcing company. We'd be rich overnight.
Strangely enough, that's exactly what we need to be.
Stop driving suspiciously, Lou. He'll get wise to us.
Get wise. What are we, in some gumshoe novel now? I'm driving as unsuspiciously as you can when your boss only forked out for a weekend helicopter course. If he's getting wise, it's because you're a tight ass.
Being anti-Semitic now? Nice. Next you'll call me a fag.
Oh yeah, play the minority card. Very clever. Unfortunately, I'm a minority too, so fuck you.
He's cutting back on himself. I thought he was heading west.
Well, now he's heading east. We won't lose him, man. We're cool.
Come on, you dumb dukes, fuck! Take us to her!
You yell loud enough, he might just hear you.
Maybe if we concentrate hard enough, we can will him to go there.
Thought you got over that spiritual shit when you stopped dating the yoga instructor.
There are things that stick with you forever.
Like the fact that he could get his ankles around his ears and he ate a lot of mung beans. That image is gonna stick with me. Jesus. Where are these guys from? Other than Dukes, I mean.
They're an Irish operation headed by this maniac called Gerald McCreary. He's doing time in Alderney State.
Irish like those guys who robbed our bank? They could be the same ones that held me hostage.
Stranger things have happened.
What would they need a mob boss's daughter for when they got all the bank's money?
How the fuck do I know? I guess greed is a powerful motivator.
I got an idea.
Great. What is it?
We stop that bus car, we rig his balls to the battery. By the time he smells them cooking, we'll know exactly where Gracie's at.
This is a great bit of improvisation, Lou, but I think we should just follow him. He's going into the tunnel. We're fucked.
It's only got 2 exits, T. He should come right out over by where we picked up the chopper.
Or he could hijack some other car and we'll be sitting here waiting for him with our dicks in our hands.
Hey, my dick's in my pants, not my hand, T. And it's staying there. Let's just wait to see if he comes out.
I see him. He's crossed over to Alderney. He's coming out of the booth right now.
You know how they got Gracie?
Something to do with that pink piece of shit car she had. They think the guy pretended he wanted to buy it.
You should have got suspicious the second anyone expressed interest in that thing. Actually, wait. I can see you driving a pink car, T.
Why? Because people call me gay, Tony? In that case, you probably think I've got massive sculptures of cocks in my apartment as well. Gay guys love that shit. Cliche-loving moron.
There was that one marble thing you bought.
That was art.
Yeah, giant, veiny, penis-shaped art. At least you made a profit on it. Those were the days.
He's going in the parking lot. What's going on?
I don't know. Shit.
She could be in the trunk of a car in there.
She could be in the trunk of the red piece of shit we're following.
They would have checked that. Let's see if he comes out. Look, he's there. Just lead us back to Gracie, you fucker.
coordinate well, bro. But I think the big one's Sacramento. Call it in.
Let's head back to the helipad.
You gonna call him?
I'm texting.
Look at you, bro.
What?
Down with the kids.
You work in the business, Lou. You should know that club promoters are the first to master all new forms of communication.
Always find a new way of profiting.
If we pull this off, we'll profit. We'll get to keep our spinal.
Okay, man.
Shit.
Let me know if they find Gracie.
Hope for our sake they do. See you soon, partner.
Allo.
Hola, burrito.
Rocco, how'd you get my fucking number? I don't want to talk to you.
Too bad, Mix. This line opened up just as soon as Tony took those points.
You know, Rock, your guinea ass is lower down this country's ethnic food chain than mine. So don't fucking condescend me.
Oh, I got Senora Sensitive here. Hey, look, I respect you, so I'm gonna talk straight a second. Tony's pissed a lot of people off. You need to control him.
Tony's gonna calm down as soon as you stop sending us on suicide missions.
Oh, look at my position. Some serious moolah he owes. You think the higher powers are gonna stop expecting envelopes from me because of the homo's midlife crisis? Doctor's notes don't cut it with these people.
Be reasonable then, Rock. Chinatown? Bahama Mamas? Those fucking bombs? That's some out of control shit, man.
No! Tony's some out of control shit. Think about what he has got you into. If you think about it too long, then there might be no getting out of it. Comprende?
Not really, bro. Goodbye.
I keep on walking, oh, I see it.